Hello and welcome to this video, and I'll explain a little bit about our new project. So this is Jack, my son. He's 12 years of age tomorrow. So yeah, between us, we were sort of halfway through episode. Well, not halfway through. Just started episode 9 on this about the fitting front subframe, and having a look online at lunchtime, spotted a little project, thought it'd be ideal for Jack. So when I'm here working on this and I don't need a hand, it gives him something to do, and well, it's just something to watch really. So I'll show you the new project. It needs a bit of work, but I'm sure he'll do it. So yeah, so that's it. So this is how we got it. So it's got everything bar the engine and chain, drive chain. So we'll do a bit of research now. Not 100% sure if it's a homemade chassis or whatever, but it's got some nice bits on it. It's got all the bits we need. Everything seems to work. So we'll work out how the engine's going to be fitted, what sort of chain it needs, things like that. So yeah, the first job will be strip it all down to the bare chassis. He's going to clean it all up, treat all this surface rust, give it a good coat of paint, and so yeah, so it's just an intro about this project. This will be Jack's project to do, so he'll probably do a couple of videos on it for you guys to see. So that's the end of this one. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on episode 1 of the Kart build. So like I said, it mainly be Jack doing the work on this one. We'll see what he's like, and yeah, thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you like our project. Thank you.